What is going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. So today we're going to be taking a ride on the Coleman 196cc mini bike. They call it a 200, but truthfully it's 196. Here it is. I know this is probably a question that'll be in the comments if it's turned on. Why do I have a paper towel right here? It's because this rattles really loud and it gets kind of annoying. There's the GoPro mounted up to the helmet. Aftermarket stuff. We have a light bar on here. Super bright. This already has like a, I forgot what we call it, but it'll power this once the engine is powered up. Kill switch, brake handle. Overall, this does about 21 to 24 miles per hour without any mods. But it feels a lot faster when you're ripping down the trails and stuff. Back behind me. We're gonna be going crazy on this thing today. We're gonna try to jump it, everything. We're gonna give full review and just see what this thing can do. So y'all please enjoy, watch the end of the video. I plan to do some giveaways soon. We're about to hit 500 subscribers, which is crazy because I really have, be honest, I haven't posted that much, especially full videos. But I'm gonna be slapping on the GoPro helmet and we're just gonna get a ride. So got the helmet thrown on. We're gonna get a start up on this thing. Choke on, gas on, one pull. First start of the day. It's very responsive. It's like a $700, $800. This thing sounds good too. It's like the Harley Davidson of mini bike. It's crazy. Hit the trail. Let's get a hammer in this bad boy. Right with this thing. I remember being thrown off of it and then looking back and just seeing it, the fake gas can getting crushed to pieces, the daggum peg broke off, and I remember looking back and seeing it do daggum front flip while I was laid against a tree. I would have definitely been in the hospital if I wasn't wearing this helmet. The daggum scratches all down my helmet where I rubbed down that daggum tree. Crazy for the 4 acres we love on here. This thing's pretty nice. It gets me around. I can throw a bag of corn up here if I want to run back to the feeder. Right here on the side. By the way, here's how that came up. The food plot I planted in one of my recent videos looks amazing. We had a 9-pointer, 10-pointer actually come through here right after I filmed that video. Let's take the secrets right here. So yeah, this thing has a torque converter on it. The 196 engine. I actually can't get out of here this way anymore because of that daggum tree. I have to go around. just like the video, subscribe, and we'll see if we can do a house tour, land tour, that kind of stuff. Those of y'all who watch my videos should probably remember the Predator 212 mini bike. I was doing about 39, I think I maxed out, going down the road at my cousin's place. Yeah, make sure to go watch that video. I'll have it on the end cards of this video. So if you want to go ahead and go watch that one, scroll through this video and tell me what you think. It was a good time. That was back when every video I uploaded, my GoPro was blurry. Because I kind of have a small channel. I probably would do timestamps in this video too. Yeah, and scroll through, see what you want to watch. Yeah. It's a good time every once in a while just to get out here and open this back door up. It gets on it with that torque converter. I can do any hill I want to on the land. It probably don't look like it on camera. I'm not even full throttle. That's a massive freaking hill. It overlooks almost the whole property. It's pretty crazy. Yes, so we pretty much had a good day out riding. It wasn't even out of gas. I went over there and cranked it right back up. I guess I was maxing out the daggum carburetor. It has no, what do you call it? Governor on there. But yeah, y'all make sure to like, subscribe. I really do plan to post a lot more. It makes it easier having a newer phone. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.